Deb is helping me clean up. This just blew in the yard, but we're gonna pick it up anyway. Found a few pieces of paper I don't need anymore. I'm just gonna shred them all up. I think I'll use these flowers for my next lesson. What do you think? Remember, we're trying to learn how to use things that we already have around the house. I found this screen. I think it's gonna be perfect.
Since it's Earth Day, I decided I was going to make seed paper, which is recycled paper using no electricity. You can do this at home also. I started out with a solar shower. I left it outside so the water could heat up, and then I took all of this paper and shredded it really finely. I placed it in a bowl, added the warm water, and let it soak for just a few moments so it could soften up. After it started softening up, I was able to squeeze it around and make it into a pulp. You can see the pulp right here. It's really fun to play with, and so you'll have a really good time doing this particular step. After the paper has been pulverized, I went ahead and took a rock and squeezed it even a little bit more. And this also got a lot of the water out of it. After I got the water out of it, then I picked it up in a little ball and squeezed out even more of the water because you don't want a whole lot of water, otherwise it's going to take forever to set up. After that, I added some seeds to it, squished it around a little bit more, and this is where the fun happens. I was able to then take this and mold it into the form that I wanted over the strainer that I had found. Recycling is so fun! After that, I was able to decorate the paper a little bit by adding some of those flower petals that I had been looking at in the yard, and it just gave it a nice, fun touch. After that, I left it to dry for a couple of days.
Here's what my paper looks like now. Let my paper dry a couple of days and it's ready.